In this video, I'm going to share with you the biggest mistake that I've ever made, and a mistake that I've been making since day one starting my solar panel cleaning business. It's a mistake that has cost me like hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, and I'm going to explain what it is that's been hurting my bottom line, how surprised I was to learn about this mistake, and how I plan to fix it. Now, I love making mistakes, or little surprises as I like to call them, because for me, that's the best way to learn. My little brother, however, is a planner and he doesn't like surprises. So you click this video because you're considering starting a solar panel cleaning business, and if you hate surprises like my little bro but you still want to start, you click the right video, because right now you can get $100 off the Solar Panel Cleaning Academy if you click the link below. I made all the mistakes so you don't have to. I ran trial and error so you don't have to. And inside the course, I go everything that I've learned, everything from A to Z, from licensing, insurance, safety, my secrets to closing cold calls, the budget equipment setup, a professional setup, on-site demos, marketing secrets, pricing, invoicing, and more. Now, if you want to join dozens of other people who have cleared the first 10K using my method, then click that link below before the price goes up. There's only a few spots left at this price, and when you buy, you'll have lifetime access to all the future updates to the training. So, as I learn more, so do you. So now let's talk about how to avoid this huge mistake that has been costing me a ton of money. So this customer asked me to schedule them in for a biannual cleaning once every 6 months, and I didn't do that. And if I'm being honest, it isn't the first time that this has happened to me. I've had a handful of customers reach out and ask, hey, are you still cleaning panels? I'd like to schedule you. And that's a huge mistake. Now I should be calling them and letting the customer know, hey, these are my available appointments. Do you want to book? Now this means that I've missed out on a ton of money and I left the satisfied customers hanging, and that's not a good look for a small locally owned business. Even though I do stay pretty well booked throughout the year, there's always time for more jobs, and more jobs mean more money, right? So that's why I was really surprised when I got the email from Tony, my past customer. He was ready for me to come back and clean his panels a long time ago, and he was very satisfied with the service and the value that we provided on our previous visits, and he wanted us to come back. And he was just waiting to hear from us, just sitting in the dark, wondering if I was still in business. Thankfully, I built good rapport with him, and he still had my cell phone number, and he reached out. And for that, I'm thankful, not only because I made money, but also because now I see the light, and now I know I need to make some changes. I plan on fixing this oversight by applying a new system. Every time I finish a job, every single customer I'll ask if they like to schedule a future cleaning before I even leave. And if they agree to this, I plan to schedule it right then and right there. Before, I would ask a customer if they agreed to it, then I would schedule them. But I'm asking every single customer from here on out. Then I'm going to set reminders to follow up a few days before the appointment to let them know what time will be coming. Now, it seems like a simple thing to do and a simple mistake to avoid, but by making myself do this small action after every single cleaning, I should be able to stay more busy, which means I can eventually raise my prices, because we all know that when lead flow increases, so do your prices. Not to mention that you want to build a good relationship with your customers, and me as a painter, I want to be on their minds like, oh hey, Tim also paints, let's give him a call. The cherry on top of this story is also a surprise, but a good one, and it's one that I accepted with open arms. Tony referred us to two of his neighbors. His mother-in-law lived next door, and that was a $200 job. Then another lady walking her dog, she was walking by and we said, hey, we want us to do yours next. And she's like, actually, yeah, I am interested. Can you come by and give me a price? So that was pretty cool. So this $150 client that had to reach out to me after I forgot about him, gosh, I feel so dumb. This one client ended up turning into a $750 win instead of a mistake that generated no money. So don't be caught by surprise. Check out the links below. So I hope this video helps you guys out. If you're still thinking about starting a solar panel cleaning business, or you've already started, don't get caught by surprise. Check out the links below to get started today before the price goes up. There's only a few more spots are left at this price. After the first 100 enroll, new content goes up, and so does the price. Remember, anything's possible, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.